ओम पूर्णमदः पूर्णमिदं पूर्णात् पूर्णमुदच्यते पूर्णस्य पूर्णमादाय पूर्णमेवावशिष्यते। ओम शांति शांति शांति। शंकरं शंकराचार्यं केशवं बादरायणं सूत्रभाष्यकृतौ वन्दे भगवन्तौ पुनः पुनः। ईश्वरो गुरुरात्मेति मूर्तिभेदविभागिने व्योमवद्व्याप्तदेहाय दक्षिणामूर्तये नमः। ओम शांति शांति शांति। शुक्ल यजुर्वेदीय कान्व शाखीय बृहदारण्यक उपनिषद अश्वल ब्राह्मण। Ashwala was the Hota. So he is asking the question, Kena yajmano mrutyoho aptim atimuchyata iti. Answer was given by Yajnavalkya Rishi. Hotra ritvija agnina vacha. All are samanadhikarana. होत्रा ऋत्विजा अग्निना वाचा। वाग एव वाग वै यज्ञस्य होता। वाग इज द होता। तद येयम वाग सोयम अग्नि। दिस वाग इज अग्नि। स होता। सो यू हैव टू डू वाग एज अग्नि उपासना एंड होता also as अग्नि उपासना. This is mukti. And that alone is ati mukti. Means it is the means of liberation. Liberation means krama mukti you call, or delayed samsara. And that is ati mukti. Agni bhav prapti. Tika we were seeing. Third line, page number 682. दर्शनम उद्गीतोपासनम तस्य विशेषो वागादेर अज्ञाध्यात्मत्व विज्ञानम तत्सिद्ध्यर्थो अयम प्रक्रमः. Darshanam is udgitha upasanam. In udgitha upasanam, this topic had come. Tasya vishesho vagadehe ajnadhyatmatva vijnanam. In udgitha upasana, vagadi are agni. This was not said. That is said here. Vagadehe ajnadhyatmatva vijnanam. Tat siddhyartho ayam prakramaha. This prakrama means this mantra and this brahmana has been started for this purpose. Evam avantar sangatim uktva prashnakshārani vyachaste. Because this was already mentioned in Udgitha, but what was not mentioned is now mentioned here. So avantar sangati is said. Sangati is with Udgitha brahmana. Now, Prashna Aksharani Vyachaste. The question, what are the words in that? In Bhashya. Yadidam sadhana jatam asya karmana ritvig agnyadi mrityuna karma lakshanena swabhavika asanga sahitena aptam vyaptam. If you remember, that story was there, and then Mrityuna asanga, everything was associated with Mrityu. Mrityu in the form of that Swabhavajanya Raga Dvesha, that is Mrityu. And therefore, all the other Indriyas, they had their Raga for some Vishaya, and therefore they all had association with Mrityu. But Prana did not have that, because Prana was free from Raga Dvesha. That's how Prana Upasana was given there. इदम साधन जातम, साधन समूह अस्य कर्मणः ऋत्विक अग्नि आदि. So for this ऋत्विक is needed, agni is needed, etc. for the यज्ञ. मृत्युना कर्म लक्षणेन स्वाभाविक आसंग सहितेन. कर्म लक्षण is मृत्यु. कर्म थर्ड नंबर टिप्पणी ज्ञानहीनेन केवलेन पाप मिश्रितेन वा पुण्येन इत्यर्थः. Means it is karma without upasana, and in that so many people can perform Vedic karma in which there is no chitta shuddhi, because you are performing it out of some kama. Upasana will bring greater shuddhi. That's why only karma can give you only certain loka. Karma with upasana will give higher lokas. स्वाभाविक आसंग सहितेन अविद्याजनित फलासक्ति. 4 नंबर टिप्पणी. आप्तम व्याप्तम, न केवलम व्याप्तम, नॉट ओनली व्याप्तम बाय मृत्यु बट अभिपन्नम च मृत्युना वशीकृतम च. It is associated with mrityu, not only associated but also abhipannam. Abhipannam means vashikritam. It is under the grip of this mrityu, because there is swabhavika raga dvesha in the karma. In the karma means in the person. Tika. मृत्युना आप्तम इति अनेन मृत्युना अभिपन्नम इति अस्य गतार्थत्वम आशंक्या. So the main thing what we should understand is that raga dveshas are there in everyone. To the extent I can eliminate raga dvesha and perform any karma, it will get its best result possible. And when I do anything with raga dvesha, any vyavahar with raga dvesha, then it will not give me purna phala. Mukhya phalam is what? I should get peace, I should get sukham. That I will not get, because any raga dvesha will keep you disturbed. So mukhya phala you will not have. Anything else, laukika sam phala, drashta phala you may get, that is insignificant. मृत्युना आप्तम इति अनेन मृत्युना अभिपन्नम इति अस्य गतार्थत्वम. गतार्थत्वम मीन्स द श्लोकार्थम आशंक्याः न केवलम व्याप्तम अभिपन्नम च. कर्मणो मृत्युत्वात् तेन मृत्योः अत्यय अयोगात्. कर्मणो मृत्युत्वात्. in 9 number टिप्पणी, यदि कर्मणा एव अत्येति मृत्युम, कर्म itself is मृत्यु. So this is the shanka. तेन मृत्योः अत्यय अयोगात्. By karma you cannot go beyond mrityu, because karma is associated with mrityu. Then tad atyaya sadhanam kinchit darshanam eva vachyam. Therefore the atyaya sadhanam, to transgress this mrityu, some darshanam means some upasana vachyam iti ashayana prithyati. Kena darshana lakshanena sadhanena yajmano मृत्योः आप्तिम अतीत्य मृत्यु गोचरत्वम अतिक्रम्य मुच्यते. स्वतंत्रो मृत्योः अवशो भवति इत्यर्थः. This is the question. केन दर्शन लक्षणेन, by which upasana, दर्शन here means upasana, by which upasana, दर्शन लक्षणेन साधनेन यजमानो मृत्योः आप्तिम अतीत्य, having crossed the मृत्यु आपति means attainment of मृत्यु, तित्य मृत्यु गोचरत्वम अतिक्रम्य, that is the शब्दार्थ, मुच्यते स्वतंत्रो मृत्योः अवशो भवति, means now he is not in the under the vash of मृत्यु. ठीक है. येन मुख्य प्राणात्म दर्शनेन अतिमुच्यते तद उद्गीत प्रक्रियायाम एव उक्तम. मुख्य प्राणात्म दर्शनेन, ये प्रश्न हियर इज केन दर्शन लक्षणेन. आंसर इज मुख्य प्राणात्म उपासना, दैट वाज ऑलरेडी डिस्कस्ड इन उद्गीत प्रक्रिया. सो द ही टीकाकार सेज येन मुख्य प्राणात्म दर्शनेन अतिमुच्यते. You have to remember this prana upasana, which is one of the big topics in all Upanishads, as upasana, or otherwise known as Hiranyagarbha upasana. If you remember in Kathopanishad, Indriyani paranyahuhu indriyebhya paramana, manasastu para buddhi, then buddher atma mahan. That mahan atma is Hiranyagarbha, Mahatattva. What is the difference between when I do my sadhana, dhyan sadhana, and I can control indriya? I can control vishaya, indriya vishaya vyavahar, I can close my eyes, sit early, quiet place, so shabda vyavahar is not there. Rasa, rupa, no vyavahar is there. Okay, so vishayas are conquered. Indriyas are conquered by mind. Mind is conquered by buddhi. Then from buddhi, I have to go to Hiranyagarbha. How will I do Hiranyagarbha? Buddher Atma Mahan Paraha. You get rid of your Raga Dvesha. The difference between my buddhi and Hiranyagarbha buddhi, or Vyashti buddhi and Samashti buddhi, is this. Excessive Raga Dvesha means you will not be able to control your mind also. That buddhi will be incapable of controlling mind. Forget about identifying with Hiranyagarbha, Samashti buddhi. Whereas the one who has reduced these Raga Dveshas, that buddhi is now able to jump from Vyashti buddhi to Samashti buddhi. The one who has done this prana upasana, for that person, buddhir atma mahan paraha will be a fact. Others will have to do it. Later, yached vang manasi prajna, when he sits for samadhi abhyasa, yached vang manasi prajna, tad yached jnana atmani, jnanam atmani mahati niyached. How will he do Vyashti buddhi laya in Samashti buddhi? This is how. So those who have done this upasana, those who have removed Raga Dvesha, Mahati Niyachet will happen. Otherwise, it will not happen. Means it will definitely not happen. So yena mukhya pranatma darshanena atimuchyate tad udgitha prakriyayam eva uktam तथा च मृत्योः अत्यय विज्ञानस्य, मृत्यु अत्यय उपाय इज विज्ञान, इज उपासना, इज निर्ज्ञात निशेषण ज्ञात. प्राणात्म उपासना यू हैव ऑलरेडी सेड, वी ऑलरेडी नो. निर्ज्ञातत्वात् केन इति प्रश्न अनुपपत्तिः. दिस केन प्रश्न शुड नॉट हैव कम इति योजना. तस्यैव परीक्षा विषयो अयम् इत्यादौ उक्तम आदाय परिहरति। तस्यैव परीक्षा विषय, he says बाढ़म, सीन भाष्य, ये ननु उद्गीत एव अभिहितम येन अतिमुच्यते मुख्य प्राणात्म दर्शनेन इति। उद्गीथे, उद्गीत मीन्स उद्गीथे, उद्गीत ब्राह्मण, in that this is was already said, अतिमुच्य प्राणात्म दर्शन बाढ़म उक्ता, यो अनुक्तो विशेषस तत्र तदर्थो अयम आरंभ इति अदोष। What was not said there, that Vishesha was not given. Samanya part was given. Tadartho ayam arambha. For that purpose, this arambha is there. टीका उद्गीत प्रकरणे वागादेर अज्ञाध्यात्मत्व दर्शन रूपो जो विशेषो वक्तव्यो अपि न उक्तः तद उक्त्यर्थोऽयं प्रश्न प्रतिवचन रूपो ग्रंथ इति कृत्वा केन इत्यादि प्रश्नोपत्तिरित्यर्थः। इन उद्गीत प्रकरण वागादेः अज्ञाध्यात्मत्व दर्शन रूप विशेष should have been said, but it was not said, न उक्तः। तद उक्ति अर्थो अयम प्रश्न प्रतिवचन रूपो ग्रंथ। फॉर दैट दिस क्वेश्चन आंसर काइंड ऑफ डिस्कशन हैज कम इति कृत्वा केन इत्यादि प्रश्न इज उपपन्न, मीन्स इज जस्टिफाइड। होत्रा ऋत्विजा अग्निना वाचा इति आह याज्ञवल्क्य। याज्ञवल्क्य गिव द आंसर, होत्रा ऋत्विजा अग्निना वाचा। ठीक है। कीदृक् पुनर्दर्शनम मृत्युजय साधनम होत्रा इत्यादा उक्तम इति आशंका। व्हाट इज दैट दर्शनम विच इज मृत्युजय साधनम? सो इसे होत्रा ऋत्विजा अग्निना वाचा। एतस्य अर्थम व्याचष्टे। नाउ मीनिंग ऑफ दिस ही एक्सप्लेन्स। कह पुनर्होता येन मृत्युम अतिक्रामति इति। What is, who is this होता? सी टीका। व्याचष्टे वाग वै यज्ञस्य इत्यादिना इति शेष। वाग वै यज्ञस्य होता, वाग वै यज्ञस्य यजमान, नहीं, यज्ञस्य मीन्स यजमानस्य होता। वाग इज दी होता, वाग वै होता। यज्ञस्य मीन्स यजमानस्य। टीका व्याख्यानमेव विशदयितुं पृच्छति कः पुनः। हु इज दी होता? कः पुनर्होता येन मृत्युम अतिक्रामति। Who is the hota by which this mrityu will be transcended? Uchyate vagvai yajnasya yajmanasya. Vagvai yajnasya. Then hota is there in the next line. But then yajnasya means yajmanasya. How do you say yajna is yajmana? Yajno vai yajmanaha is iti shrute. There is a shruti. Tika. दर्शन विषयम दर्शयन उत्तरम आह उच्यते। दर्शन विषयम दर्शयन, having shown the topic of the darshana, means the upasana. He says yajna shabdasya yajmane vruddha prayogo nasti. Somebody says yajna is not yajmana. He says it is given in shruti. यजमानस्य या वाग अध्यात्मम सैव अधियज्ञ होता अस्तु तथापि कथम तयोर देवतात्मना दर्शनम इत्याह। यजमानस्य वा यजमानस्य या वाग अध्यात्मम सैव अधियज्ञ होता। यजमान वाक is in adhiyagnya hota. Adhiyagnya means that yajna which is performed outside. In that, who is the hota? Is the vak of yajamana. Tathapi katham tayor devatatmana darshanam. How will you do upasana of that as a devata? it will be done as Agni Devata. How? In Bhashya. यज्ञस्य यजमानस्य या अध्यात्मं वाक् सैव होता. यजमानस्य या वाक् सा होता. That is होता in अधियज्ञ. Means if somebody is sitting for some yajna, as a yajmana, then his vak is like the hota. Katham tat tatra yeyam vak yajnasya yajmanasya soyam prasiddho agnihi adhidaivatam. So he is connecting, see, in adhyatma it is vak. In adhiyajna it is online students.
Agni is adhidaiva.
In adhiyajna hota, and in adhidaivatam agni. So adhyatma, adhiyajna, adhidaiva, all three are mentioned. Vak is hota, is agni. Tad etat triyanna prakarane vyakyatam. This was discussed in Triyanna Prakarana. Triyanna Prakarana came where? Saptanna Brahmana. In Saptanna, anybody remembers what are these Saptanna? One for everyone, Annam. Two for Devata, Darsha Purnamasa. One for Pashu. Pious, 4. And then 3 more. Vang, Mana, Prana. Vang, Mana, Prana. So that Vang, Mana, Prana is what he said. Tad etat triyanna prakarane vyakyatam. Means Vag is Agni. That was already discussed earlier. Tika. 5th line. Tayor Agnatmana Darshanam Uttar Vakyavashtambhena Yachaste. Tayoho Agnatmana Darshanam. Tayoho
Adhyatmam and Adhyajna.
Adhyatmam and Adhyajna. You have to tell Tayoho. Tayoho is Shashti Dvivachan. So you tell
Adhyatma Adhyajnyoho.
Okay. Or if you want to say Hota and Agni, then
Hota Agnayoho.
no, Hota is Pratipadik you will have to use. So you will have to say Hotri.
Agnayoho.
Tayoho Agnatmana Darshanam Uttar Vakyavashtambhena Vyachaste. Tat Triyanna Prakarane Vyakhyata. Katham Punar Vagagnayor Ekatvam. How do you say Vag and Agni are one? This was already discussed in Saptanna Brahmana. Tayor Ekatve api kuto hotuhu tadaikyam. Okay, Vag and Agni are one. How their Aikya is with Hota also? How Hota is also Agni? Iti ashankyaha. Sacha Agnir Hota, Agnir vai Hota iti Shrutehe. Bhagwan Bhashyakar has all Shruti. Yajno vai Yajamanaha, Agnir vai Hota. and Vak is Agni. All Shrutis are there. They know Brihadaranyaka is not at all easy Upanishad. That's why at least we should know what is my sadhana, what should I do. Because otherwise we will constantly feel this, neither I am Yajman nor I am Hota, what is going on. All you do is one thing, eliminate your Raga Dvesha, bas. That is the object. अग्निर्वय होता इति श्रुते है. टीका समुक्तिर इति एतद् अवतारयितुं भूमिकां करोति. Samukti hi, this is mukti, because mukti and ati mukti, now last two words are there. For that, bhumikam karoti. Yad etat yajnasya sadhana dvayam hota cha ritwik adhiyajnam adhyatmam cha vak etad ubhayam sadhana dvayam parichinnam mrityuna aptam स्वाभाविक अज्ञान आसंग प्रयुक्तेन कर्मणा मृत्युना प्रतिक्षणम अन्यथात्वम आपद्यमानम वशीकृतम. यद एतद यज्ञस्य साधन द्वयम, दिस होता एंड ऋत्विक, साधन द्वयम होता च ऋत्विक अधियज्ञम. So hota is one ritvik and adhyatmam cha vak, yajmanas vak. Etad ubhayam sadhana dvayam parichinnam mrityuna aptam. Both are parichinna. What is mrityu? Swabhavika ajnana asanga prayuktena karmana mrityuna. This is mrityu. All karmas will have this raga dvesha. And all of them will have parichinnatva. This is the swabhavika ajnana mrityu. Anadi ajnana janya phalasakti. And some attachment will be with phalam also. But phalasakti is later. First is the raga dvesha itself during the karma. कर्मणा मृत्युना प्रतिक्षणम अन्यथात्वम आपद्यमानम वशीकृतम. तद अनेन अधिदैवत रूपेण अग्निना दृश्यमानम यजमानस्य यज्ञस्य मृत्योः अतिमुक्तये भवति. तद अनेन अधिदैवत रूपेण, by the अधिदैवता, अग्निना दृश्यमानम. अधिदैवता इद अग्नि, अग्निना दृश्यमानम यजमानस्य यज्ञस्य मृत्योः अतिमुक्तये भवति. For the yajmana, it will become a means for atimukti. Means two things if they are accomplished. One is no ragadvesha, second is no phalasakti. Then this is karma yoga. What is karma yoga? This is karma yoga, right? It's very straightforward. So then atimuktaye bhavati means at least you will have superior gati. टीका साधन द्वयम तत्शब्दार्थ. तत्शब्दार्थ यद एतत्, that is tat. In the mantra how it is given, tad yeyam, that tat is the sadhana dvayam. यजमान ग्रहणम होतुर उपलक्षणम. Yajmana is there means hota is also included. In other words, Yajmanasya yajnasya mrityoho atimuktaye. Yajmana will go beyond the mrityu means hota also will. The priest also. Priest is also supposed to have no raga dvesha, and priest is supposed to have it first. Then only when he will do it for the Yajmana will get that phalam. But sometimes it is different now. But priests in those days, I mean, what we have heard, it was expected that they were supposed to live only on what is given to them. And they, no matter how much difficulty they have in their life, they will not change their profession. That they will remain into Veda Adhyana Adhyapana only. Not that this is not giving me enough money, let us do something, some IT and then AI and GPT and all of that. He said, no, I will do only this. If I get money, good enough, not, I don't have problem in dropping the body. Ukte arthe samanantar vakyam avatarya vakaroti. In this vakya, samanantar vakyam is also given. Yakaroti tadetad aha iti. See in Bhashya. तदेतद आह स मुक्ति स होता अग्निर मुक्ति अग्निस्वरूप दर्शनम एवं मुक्ति. अग्निस्वरूप दर्शन मीन्स अग्नि उपासनम इज मृत्योः अतिक्रमण रूप मुक्तेः साधनम. मृत्यु अतिक्रमणम, if I want to do that kind of mukti, for that this upasanam, agni upasanam is the sadhana. Agni drishti, where should I do agni drishti? In Yajmana Vak and in Hota. In Tika, Mukti Shabdas Tat Sadhana Vishaya. Mukti Shabda is Mukti Sadhana. Because Mukti and Ati Mukti, two words are there. Mukti means Mukti Sadhana. Padartham Uktva Vakyartham Aha. Agni Swarupa. Agni Swarupa Darshanam Eva Mukti hi. Vacho hotuscha agniswarupena darshanam eva mukti hetuhu iti yavat. In the vak of the Yajmana and in Hota, I should have agni darshanam, agni buddhi. This is mukti hetu, mukti sadhanam. Uktam artham prapanchayati yadaiva iti. Yadaiva sadhana dvayam agni rupena pashyati tadanim eva hi स्वाभाविकाद आसंगान मृत्योर विमुच्यत आध्यात्मिकाद परिच्छिन्न रूपाद आदि भौतिकाच्च. If these two are seen as agni, sadhana dvayam agni rupena pashyati, yada eva tadanim eva, at that time swabhavikad asangan mrityu vimuchyat, he becomes free from this asanga, this attachment dosha. Raga dveshas are there because of some attachment. Where attachment means raga. From others there is dvesha. Anybody else who is claiming the same thing, also dvesha. Adhyatmikat parichinna rupat adi bhautikatcha vimuchyate. He will become free from adhyatmika, adi bhautika, any parichinna rupa. स मुक्ति ही इति अस्य अर्थम उपसंहरति. दिस इज मुक्ति its meaning is explained now, concluded. Tasmad sa hota agni rupena drishto muktihi. Muktihi means mukti sadhanam. Kasya yajamanasya. When hota is seen as Agni, that is the mukti sadhanam for Yajman. It's a means of liberation, means of mukti here means that asanga rupa mrityu he will not have. Vakyantaram samuthapya vyachaste. Vakyantaram samuthapya. Sam is upasarga. Uthapya lya pratyay there. How? What is the dhatu here?
Stha.
Stha means stha gati nivrittau. Gati nivrittau is the dhatu. Then from stha, what happens? Sakara becomes online student sutras.
उदः स्थास्तम्भोः पूर्वस्य.
Udah stha stambhoho purvasya. So what this sutra will do?
Sakara will be replaced by Takara.
Sakara will be replaced by Thakara first. Then Jaro Jari Savarna. Right? By that, one Thakara will go. So Stha is there, two Thakara, it will become first. And then one Thakara will go. Uthapya and then Lya Pratyaya. And because it is Tha, when it is used in Nich, then what will happen? Pakara, Pug Agama will come. What is the sutra? Online?
Arti ह्रील् वेदे येक्ष्णो यातां पुंना.
Hui Yatam. So many things are there you see in that one Shabda. Samuthapya Vyachaste. Sa ati muktiriti. Sa ati muktihi. Yaivacha muktihi. Ya evacha muktihi. Sa ati muktihi. Ati mukti sadhanam ityartha. This ati mukti is ati mukti sadhanam. Tika. Mukti amuktiyoho asankirnatvam darshayati. Mukti and amukti, between them there is no sankarya. They are different, distinct. साधन द्वयस्य परिच्छिन्नस्य या अधिदेवता रूपेण अपरिच्छिन्नेन अग्निरूपेण दृष्टिः सा मुक्ति। साधन द्वयस्य, these two sadhanas in the form of Vag and Hota. Vaghotru lakshanasya. Vaghotru lakshanasya. How Hakar became Ghakara? New students? Anybody? New or old?
Vaghari.
Vaghari is the Drishtanta. Vaghari. Hakar became Ghakara. But what is the sutra? Jhayoho anyatarasyam. This is there in 7 number tippani. Vaghotru lakshanasya. साधन द्वयस्य परिच्छिन्नस्य या अधिदेवता रूपेण परिच्छिन्नेन अग्निना रूपेण दृष्टिः. दिस अपरिच्छिन्नेन अग्निना अग्नि रूपेण, अग्नि is अपरिच्छिन्न. Vak and Hota are parichinna. In parichinna, I should have aparichinna buddhi. This is upasana. This is mukti. Om Purnamadaha Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnameva Vashishyate. Om Shantihi Shantihi Shantihi. Shankaram Shankaracharyam Keshavam Badarayanam Sutrabhashyakritau Vande Bhagavantau Punah Punah. Ishvaro Gururatmeti Murti Veda Vibhagine Vyomavad Vyapta Dehaya Dakshinamurtaye Namaha. Om Shantihi Shantihi Shantihi.